Students, this is the next topic of pharmacy practice called as drug interaction. Previously we studied the topic that is adverse drug reaction. So this is the difference between the adverse drug reaction and drug reaction. Adverse drug reaction means they will produce the hypersensitivity, allergy or anything that is known as adverse. Adverse means they will produce the difficult situations like mild, moderate, severe conditions like are there produced. For example, they are known as a allergy. If you have the allergy of aspirin, ibuprofen, they will produce the adverse drug reaction. Now it is known as a drug reaction. Here drug reaction we can known as the two drugs, three drugs. If you have taken the more multiple drug, they will produce the interactions between the different drugs, that is known as drug reaction interactions. So they are containing the different parts like definitions, definition of drug interactions, types of drug interaction, different types are there given, consequences of drug interaction, what are the consequences in terms of pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamics, factor affecting drug interactions, what are the factors are responsible for that, then mechanism of drug interaction, they are named as the pharmaceutical interactions, pharmacokinetic interactions and pharmacodynamic interactions, ultimate consequences of drug interactions, and reducing the risk of interaction means how can we reduce the drug interaction we are taking the multiple drug therapy. Definition of drug interaction is known as drug interaction occur when the pharmacological activity of drug is altered by the concomitant use of another drug or by the presence of some other substances, means it is containing of two drugs known as the drug interactions. Altered means what? Altered means change the activity, somewhat it will be increased, somewhere it will be decreased, or somewhere they will produce the different types of actions that will be harmful to the body, that is known as the drug interactions. Then the drug whose activity is affected means change affected by such an interaction is called the object drug. Object drug means what? Object drug is the main drug, first drug we are using the as a activity or efficacy, that is known as a object drug, and the agent which precipitate the such interaction is referred as a precipitant. Agent means what? The other drug, next drug. Main drug is you are taken, of the second drug or third drug you are taken, that is known as a precipitant. Two drugs are there, first is object drug, second or third drug is known as a precipitant who change the previous drug. Then types of drug interaction, types are there. Type A are known as the drug interaction, means two drugs or multiple drugs are there, that is the drug interactions. Second part, food drug interactions, means what? When you are taking the any certain types of drug and similarly you are taking the other food which can produce the direct effect onto the major drug, that is the medicinal drug, that is known as a food drug interaction. Example, inhibition of metabolism of several drug, that is cardiovascular drugs by the grapefruit juice, means what they will produce? They will produce the inhibition of metabolism. They cannot produce the metabolism by the liver by the certain types of grapefruit juice, means what? They cannot have the 100% of activity. If you are taking the cardiovascular drug, they are not going to act as a cardiovascular drugs, means his activity will be reduced, that is known as a food drug interaction. Examples are very important in terms of drug interaction. After that, chemical drug interactions, means different types of chemical you are taking and similarly drug also you are taking, so they will produce the drug interactions. Chemical drug interactions of drug with alcohol and tobacco. If you are taking the drugs and simultaneously also taking the alcohol or tobacco, the drugs cannot produce the proper activity. Alcohol or tobacco can damage the drug and they are not produce the required type of activity. The damage of the drug will be taken place. Then drug laboratory test interactions, means Alteration of diagnostic laboratory test result in the presence of drugs such as levodopa or uric acid. Means diagnostic laboratory test will be produce this type of uric acid will be drug laboratory test interaction. We are going to test the metabolites into the body, and this metabolites of the body will be interact with the laboratory test, and they are not produce the sufficient results. Then drug disease interactions means what? When you are taking any drug and they are producing they are not going to cure the drug, but they are producing the adverse effect or worse effect. They damage the body with the same disease. So that is known as a drug disease interaction. Fear means what? If you have the allergy of ibuprofen or aspirin, and allergy are the different types, and you are suffering from the breathlessness or dyspnea or asthma are there, and you have the allergy of your ibuprofen or aspirin. So what means what? You are already suffering from the disease and you are taking the allergic drugs, means your body is not going to tolerate. You have the allergy of ibuprofen and still you are taking the ibuprofen. What will happen? They will worse, means they will increase the adverse effect of drug onto the body. Means what? Disease will be increased. You are going to more severe condition will be faced by this type of conditions. That is known as the drug disease interactions. Then consequences of drug interaction. What will be the consequences will be there? So many types of consequences are there. One by one we will see. A drug interaction can delay means activity will be delayed. If you are on the within half an hour activity, you will not get into the half an hour, it will be delayed. So that will not possible. That will be very problematic condition for the diseases or patient. Decrease means its activity will be decrease. If you are going to reduce the disease symptoms, they are not easily reduced, they are slowly reduced. That will not be possible. Or enhance the absorption of either drug. Absorption enhance means what? They will increase the absorption of the drug into the body. This can decrease, it may be decreased. Consequence of drug interaction means the drug absorption will be decreased or increase also, vice versa, increase also in either of both drug or cause adverse effect. Means adverse effect can also be produced by the drug interaction. How they will see? Drug interaction, first drug is there in the form of tablet, second drug also there in the form of capsule, then it will produce the possible effects. So what are the possible effects? Possible effect first is known as the adverse disease decrease action of drug. Means what? Decrease action means what? They will not produce the action immediate, slowly they will produce it, but we don't want the slowly action, we want the fast action. So that will be produce the very problem in terms of drug interaction. Second, increase of action. Increase of action means they will produce the fast action to the body. If you are going to relief from the disease within half an hour, or they will produce the previous, that means before that they will going to produce the effect. That is known as increase into the action. First it decrease, second increase, and third adverse effect. Adverse effect means what? Like allergy. If they are producing the allergy, metabolite allergy, they will produce the cause adverse reaction. Means three types of action will be produced by the drug interaction. One is increase into the action, second is decrease, first is decrease into action, second increase into the action, and third cause adverse effects. How they will produce the decrease in action? Example wise, they are going to take tetracycline is the type of medicine taken with the calcium, causes calcium is the type of ion, positive ions into the stomach to bind with the antibody, that decreasing its approach. That we can say the complex. Means what? Directly if you put the complex with the calcium ions and your drug like tetracycline. So what will happen? Calcium ion is bind to the tetracycline and they cannot going to absorption fast. Absorption will be very slow. So that's why action of tetracycline will be reduced. So that is another drug interaction. Second, increase effect. They will increase. Example is given as the penicillin administered with the probenecid to reduce the uric acid content, thus preventing the gout. Means what? They will produce the increasing effect, preventing the gout. Gout means it is a type of like arthritis. when uric acid is deposited within the joint of bone, so that will produce the pain into the joint if deposition of the uric acid was there. If uric acid excretion is produced from the body, so you cannot form the pain into the joint, so gout is prevented. So that is the beneficial effect of increased effect penicillin administered with the probenecid. That is a beneficial effect to the body. Then some serious adverse drug reaction, as we say earlier topic, adverse drug reaction. Here we can say that adverse drug interactions. How can they produce? They are produced like that. They will produce the adverse drug reaction. First case is known as the anemia. Anemia means directly related to the red blood cells. So here red blood cells is formed, the decreased production. Its production will be slowly from the your bone marrow, or increased destruction of RBC. Destruction means breaking down of red blood cells. So that's why anemia is going to produced. But how it is produced? By the combination of the two drugs like antibiotics and your chloramphenicol. If you are taking the chloramphenicol and your antibiotics, they will directly affect on your RBC and produce the anemia. Second example, liver damage. Liver damage is going to act by the type of drug and example, that is antibiotics you are taken, after that iron supplements, ferrous sulfate, ferrous ascorbate are taken in excessive amounts in the form of your drug, so that will directly damage your liver. Means first antibiotics and tetracycline combination of antibiotics and tetracycline, they are producing the adverse drug reaction. And you are taking a large amount of liver supplement like iron, they are also producing the adverse effect of the liver damage. As we if you had any type of drug, paracetamol is there, or any drug, rifampicin like drug, if you are taking the large quantity or continuous, they also may be damage the liver. So liver is the metabolite organ, so which can easily damaged by the excessive amount of any type of drug you are taking the excessive amount. So always remember, you should not take the medicine in the excessive amount, so directly damage your liver will be produced. After that, stomach or intestinal ulcers, they are producing ulcers by using the anticoagulants are directly damage your stomach, intestine, or your duodenum will produce the ulcers like heparin and warfarin, and anticoagulants like aspirin. Aspirin is very highly recommended to the blood pressure patient, uh, hypertension patient. They can produce the blood thinners are known as the anticoagulants, and you are taking the for the long time, 5 years, 10 years, or a long lifetime. So there may be chances of your producing the ulcers of stomach or intestines. And then kidney damage is the combination of the two drugs like antibiotics and gentamicin. If you are taking simultaneously or concomitantly of your gentamicin and antibiotics, they directly damage your kidney. As we say that so many research are there, if we are taking the longer time any drug, like OTC drugs are there, over the counter drugs, if you are taken without a prescription of the doctors for the long time, they may also damage your kidney also. So that is the major some serious adverse drug reaction, so that is very complicated on. This is the part 1 of your drug interaction. Now we'll go for the second part of drug interaction.